Excellent microphone for all types of vocalists. Detailed sound that highlights subtle nuances. 10 kHz presence peak that boosts vocals in a mix. Vet preamp that delivers a full-bodied sound. Also great for acoustic guitars and pianos. Microphone clip, cleaning cloth, manual requires plus 48 volts phantom power. Top reviews from the United States. This mic is $100 to $200 most places, but Amazon had some for $65 for some reason. I don't know if these fell off a truck or what, but it seemed to be brand new in the box and so far everything works fine. It's exactly what I expected for half the price of anywhere else. If you need a simple condenser and it's still 60-something, get it. This is a pretty solid condenser mic. I preferred using these to the ones my school's recording studio used. I would often use these to record vocals or as drum overheads. Not the best mics out there, but definitely worth it for the price.